And here's question 2. Oops, every time I forget, I want to show you a question, or I want to show you the answers to question 1 first. So just a kind of side note, here's a strategy that works pretty well to keep track of these blanks, like which blank is which. So if you go through and just use the alphabet, whoops, then you can see that like blank 1 corresponds to A and so on, right? Okay, so answers to those are, let's do it on paper. 1/2 times 3/4, 3/4, 3/8, and 2/3 times 3/5 is 6/15, which can be reduced to 3/5. And 3/4 times 4/5 is 12/20. And 12/20 can be reduced to, let's see, how about 6/10? No, 4. I'm going to divide 12 by 4 and get 3, divide 20 by 4 and get 5, 3/5. 5, 6 times 3/4, 15 24ths. Let's see. That can be what? 5/8. 3/5 times 5/6 is 15/30. And then this might be a good time to just remember that you can do 3 times 5 over 5 times 6. And let's see, divide out the 5s, 3 and 6. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So this is going to be 1/2. And where I was headed before was 3/5. I'm sorry, 3 times 5 is 15. 15 over 5 times 6 is 30. 15 over 30 is going to be 1/2. Okay, moving on to volume. What I want us to see here, just to practice the finding the volume of rectangular prisms. So kind of 3 parts, and there's 3 parts on the ones that I gave you too. Volume of a rectangular prism, length times width times height. So let's just do the length, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4 units. 4 units times the width, say that's 2 units, times 2 units. And the height is 3 units. So that is 4 times 2 is 8, times 3 is 24. That's 24 cubic units. And how many layers of 6 cubes are there? So 2, 4, 6. So this is 1 layer of 6 cubes. So what's this? This is like, if I think about this like a library, books on a shelf, or maybe a loaf of bread. This is 1 slice, and then there's 4 of those slices, right? So 1 slice is 6. So how many layers of 6 are there? There's 4. 4 layers. And how many layers of 8 are there? Okay, so we have, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8. So that would be like a layer like this. So maybe we should think of this as a cake. I could erase these, but okay, so layers of cake. So how many layers of 8 are there? There are 1, 2, 3. 3 layers of 8. 3 layers. And now I want you to find the volume of 2 more rectangular prisms. I have them on Schoology for you. Also, the secret word is all. So the first secret word was watch. The second one was all. That's going to be it for secret words today. But the reason I'm asking you to do them is because I don't think everyone is watching all of the videos. So watch all videos. Okay, work on the second part.